guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell on so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this devil look, then just keep watching. First, I'm just filling in my brows with my ColourPop brow color. Now for the eyes, I'm first taking this orange color and I'm just putting this in my crease. Then I'm going in with this light pink shade and I'm blending this mainly on the outer V of my eye.
This love's been a long time coming. My breath slows but my heart keeps running. I'm so fed up of the lies that my heart believed in, but staring deep into your eyes makes it all forgiven. I feel my comfort will be blown.
Then I'm taking this red shade and I'm blending this on my outer and inner part of my eye. Then for my lower lash line, I'm just mixing the red shade and light pink shade.
My breath slows but my heart keeps running.
Then I'm using a white eye pencil in my waterline just to make my eyes pop even more. Then I'm taking this pinky shimmer shade and I'm putting this directly in the center of my lid. And then over the top of that shimmer, I'm mixing 3 of my lemonhead glitters. Then I'm just adding mascara to my top and bottom lashes and some falsies. Then I'm just going in with some bronzer on my cheekbones, forehead, and nose.
My head's leading me astray, yeah, you follow knowing.
For blush, I'm using Your Love Is King by Too Faced.
I feel the pain, but you chose the path I follow.
For my highlight, I'm using Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm putting this on my cheekbones, nose, Cupid's bow, and also on the inner corner of my eyes and under my brow, just so it's super glowy. For my lips, I'm first starting out with lip liner, and this is Dirty Peach from Kylie Cosmetics. And then over the top, I'm using I'm Shook from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then over the top of that, I'm using Cherry Pie Gloss from Kylie Cosmetics.
My fears will grow out of control. Yeah, you down low anyways. I'm in love with the way that you hold me when I fall back down, and I'm in love with the words from your voice that put me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming.